In this video here today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove an alternator on a new Freightliner. First thing I did was remove all of my battery cables, positive and negative. When you're messing with an alternator starter, anything, you don't want to have those connected. I used a 1/2-inch socket to remove these holes right here, pretty easy. And then after that, I went ahead and started to remove my belts. I used a 1/2-inch with a D8 ratchet. Then I used a 1/2-inch to go ahead and start removing my ground cables from the alternator. And then after that is the same socket for this clip that holds the ground cable and the positive down. I showed how it clips on to the other side. Then I used a 9/16 to remove the positive cables. And then there's a little small 10mm ground cable as well. And after that, I went ahead and grabbed a 5/8 socket and moved my alternator bolts. There's 4 of them, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Pretty easy to remove. After that, you're going to need to remove your compressor bolts. Your compressor bolts, there's 3 of them. You're going to need to be able to get your alternator out from where it's sitting. Here's the new alternator with the part number. This is a Delco Remy. Pretty good alternator. And then you're going to need to transfer your pulley to the new one. It's going to be a 15/16. The torque spec is also on the new alternator. It's good to torque that down, have someone hold it down for you, and get a good torque on that. You don't want that to be loose at all. This alternator failed. It was making noise, so the bearing fell inside. Then after that, you're going to be able to slide it back in there nice and easy. You're going to take your plastic covering off, and it comes with new bolts and everything like that, so you can reattach your cables. Once that's in, you want to make sure your 4 bolts are on there and tight. And you can start by putting on your positive cable, and then you can put on all your negative cables. But don't forget that small one too as well. You want to make sure that one gets on there. And after that, you'll be able to put your compressor back on. Once compressor's back on, you got all your bolts tight and connected. You have your pulley on. Make sure it's nice and tight as well. You want to make sure that those grooves and it's sitting in and is flush with the pulley. And after that, you want to put back on your hoses. Make sure those clamps are nice and tight. Let the truck run. Get the good voltage on the alternator. Make sure everything is running right and correct. Don't forget to zip tie back your connector for your compressor, AC compressor, and then make sure everything's running good. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.